Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this really pretty earring with the Bargain Bead Box October Falling Leaves collection of beads. I have been having a blast with this box. So I just made this. It's just kind of a fun, whimsical earring that, you know, kind of a boho inspired piece, which is usually what I make when I make jewelry. So I'm going to show you how I made this. So I had some of these older head pins from one of my past bargain bead boxes, and I think they're, let me check, they're about about 3/4 of an inch long, and then this eye pin is 1.5 inches long. So what I did was I took the chain and I cut it, let me show you. So I cut one with 2 hoops, one with 3 hoops, 4 hoops, 5 hoops, and then back to 4 hoops, 3 hoops, and 2 hoops. So I did that, and then that's how I'm going to hang everything and string it onto, oh, and I also have a couple of my jump rings. Okay, so I have these right here. So I just need 2 more, so I thought I would show you what I did. So I just took this little head pin, and it had a little ball on the bottom. It was perfect. And I just bent that over, and then I took my round nose pliers and I just kind of attached it like that. And then I took my last one right here, kind of straightened that out. And then I did the same with this. So there, so I have 4 of the orange ones and then 2 of the cream ones. Then I take one of these rose gold leaves and open this up, stick that on. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to attach the 5 hoop chain, since I'm opening that up. Okay, so there I have that, like that. Now I'm going to start, I'm going to take this, this is the 1.5 inch. I'm going to take one of the faceted aventurine, one of the rose gold little spacer beads, and then one of these green leaves. And put it on like this. I'm going to bend that back and take my round nose pliers and just put that back like this. Let me make sure this is there we go. Okay. So we have this. So now I'm going to take, hold on one second, let me see which ones I did the small ones on. Okay, so the 2, okay, so the 2 linked holes were one of the orange ones. Put that right there. So I have that. Let me see where that goes. There. 2. and then 3 whole ones were this 2. Open that up, put the 3. I like using my round nose pliers a lot because I'm always like bending things into shape, and I end up using these all the time. They're actually my favorite thing. I know some people, you know, don't like it, but I use them all the time for everything. Okay. And then this is a 4 hole one, and this is with the cream colored leaf. Then we have the rose gold leaf for the 5-tiered one. And then the 4 one goes back to the cream color one again. Let me get that. This is my 3rd tutorial for this box. Loved this box. So much fun. Okay, so we got that. And then we got the 3 hole. And then we got the 2 hole. I will leave a link to my other 2 tutorials from this box. I did 2 necklaces. I love the way they turned out. Okay, so now we have that. Let me move these to the side. Okay, I have 1 rose gold hoop. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open this one up like this, and I'm gonna start with the 2 hole, and I'm just gonna put them in order so that they fall perfectly on this. Then the 3 hole, and then the 4 hole, and then the 5 hole rose gold leaf, and then the 4 hole cream one, then the 3 hole orange one, and then the 2 hole, and then the bottom of that, and the ear wire. Make sure you close that up really good, and I will show you. I always, when it comes to these, I always take I squeeze that, and I just make sure that's closed all the way. Oh, I'm sorry. I put this, oh my gosh. I put this on the wrong one. I'm like, why is this so short? Hold on one second. Oh boy. There we go. Okay. Then I set this one. Get that. And here we have these adorable leaf earrings using the bargain bead box for October of 2023, the falling leaves. These are perfect fall earrings. These would be perfect for, you know, Thanksgiving, you know, wanting to dress up a little bit, or just right now going to a pumpkin patch, or whatever you find, whatever floats your boat here during this fall season. So I will leave a link below to my other 2 tutorials, as well as the bargain bead box website. If you don't get the bargain bead box, you can check it out, along with links to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Pinterest. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I suggest you do so, so you can see all these tutorials I have coming up. I hope you enjoyed this one. I have many more coming up in the next week because I was running behind because I was out of town for 8 days. So you take care, and I will see you on my next video. Thanks so much for watching.